Power button short press 3 seconds to turn on. Short press the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the power. A long press will enter match mode, which can be turned off and back on again. Matching remote control setting parameters. Push the roller to select, power button to confirm. Motor type, hub. Wheel diameter, 90/105. Motor pole pairs, 10. Matching complete. This is the speed button to switch gears. 4 speed mode. Remote control to adjust direction of travel. Press the function button twice. Matching remote control setting parameters. Press reverse to brake. Quickly press the power button 5 times to customize settings. Roll the scroll wheel to choose parameters. Press power to confirm. Wheel diameter, 90/105. G1 speed, 20. G2 speed. G3 speed. G4 speed. EBS, 100. Press power to confirm. The maximum sensitivity setting is 100. If the remote control shows the arrow pointing up, but the wheel is turning inward, we need to adjust the orientation. Direction, CCW. Press function key to exit setting.